everyone, welcome back to Witty Twee's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make a quick cabbage stir-fry. It's a classic Chinese veggie dish which you can find it very often on Chinese families' dining table and also in the Chinese restaurants. It's super crunchy and tasty. If you don't like cabbage, you definitely should try this. It will change your mind completely. Plus, it's totally vegan. Let's get started. First of all, we're going to prepare the cabbage. Cut it in half. Remove the stalk of it. And get about 400 grams loose cabbage leaves. Then I'd like to cut off the tough stalk in the middle of each leaf, so I'll only use the tender leafy part to cook this dish. But don't worry, the stalks I removed won't be wasted. They can be used in many other dishes. For example, dice them up to put in fried rice, add in dumpling fillings. Then we tear the leaves into about 4 to 5 centimeter squares. They don't need to be perfect, just tear them apart along the veins. You can also cut them into pieces with a knife, but I have to tell you that hand-torn cabbage definitely will be crunchier and tastes better when it's cooked. Then we need 4 cloves of garlic. Here is how I prepare garlic. First, give a smash with one side of your knife. This method not only can help you to peel them easily, but also bruise the garlic to help the flavor come out to achieve a very garlicky taste when you cook it. Then you can even chop them smaller. That's how you get a garlicky dish without really biting the garlic. You can also add in some dried chili or chili flakes if you like it spicy. I just put them together. Put a wok or a pan on a medium heat, 1.5 tablespoon oil. Put in 1 teaspoon Sichuan peppercorns. Saute for about 1 to 2 minutes or until aromatic. Take them out before they are getting burned. So now we've got some pepper oil. This step is totally optional. If you don't like the flavor of this pepper, just ignore it. Then we add in the garlic and dried chili. Then you fry them until the garlic turns golden brown. Then add in the cabbage. Cook it on a medium heat. Keep on stirring or do the wok tossing to prevent it getting burned on the bottom and also to help the cabbage cook evenly. Add in half teaspoon salt to get a bit of flavor and also help the cabbage cook down quickly. Then we put in 1 teaspoon light soy sauce. One 1/2 teaspoon Zhenjiang vinegar and keep on stirring. Here are 2 important tips. The first one is do not cover it with a lid during cooking. The second one is do not add in any water, because you want to avoid steaming or boiling, which will make your cabbage soggy. This is how to cook crunchy vegetables. Then you add in 1 teaspoon sugar, mix it in, and keep on cooking until tender. How long it takes depends on how tender you want it. It took me about 7 minutes this time. Transfer it into a plate, then enjoy it. Here is a cabbage stir fry. It's super crunchy and tender. It tastes garlicky, a little bit sweet, a little bit tangy and spicy. You can also taste the flavor of vinegar, but not acidic at all. It also has a peppery aroma, even though you can't see any pepper in this dish. It's so quick and easy to cook. If you need one more veggie dish for your dinner, that's the one to go to. If you like my recipe, please give a thumb up and leave a comment below. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell for more easy healthy Chinese recipes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.